Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today there might be a tornado here at night. So I already packed up a bit. So I'm gonna show you how I already packed up. So I got these stuffies. You probably never even seen these stuffies first. And I got more stuffies in this bag. And in this bag. And this bag. All the bags that have stuffies in. So, yeah, these are the stuffies I couldn't fit because this giant unicorn and this capybara stuffies. So, yeah, I'm not done packing up because I still have a few things to pack. So, yeah, let's get started. So, first we need to, get these stuff in. Necklaces and bracelets. So, yeah, let's get that into that. So, okay guys, I'm sorry. Wait. So, I just packed up all of these stuff, and now I'm just gonna leave them in my room for now. And now we're gonna go downstairs. Okay, so let's go. So, yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. So yeah, that's what I packed up because there might be a tornado here. Guys, if you live in Illinois and or if you live in Champaign and or Mansfield, Muhammad, you should be safe because there might be a tornado here. You need to have your ears ready tonight because there's a chance there might be one. Okay? So like I was saying, if you live in Mansfield, Champaign, or Muhammad, pack up for just in case. Because there might be a tornado in Muhammad, Mansfield, and then it'll go all the way around to Champaign. So, yeah. So, if you live anywhere like that, be safe if there is one. If you hear the sounds going off, find a safe spot where there's no windows. Okay? Yeah, and this is in 2026. But if this is in 2027, this was a year ago, okay, guys? So, yeah, that's all I got for today. Get a like the video and smash that subscribe button. Bye.